Very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are good and having good times with your parents. Okay, so let's start the class. So students, our today's topic is about articles. Okay, in this video we will see what are articles when we use the articles. Okay, so our today's topic is articles. Okay, this is our topics. Today's topic article. Today's date is 21/8/21. So students, what are articles? A and the. Okay, these are called articles. A and the. These are called articles. Now let's tell you when to use articles. Okay, so listen to me carefully. When we use a, we use a before consonant sounds. Okay, so a, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. These are called vowels. Okay, these are called vowels. Remaining letters are called consonants. Remaining letters are called consonants. So before consonant sound we use the article a. Clear? And before vowel sounds we have to put the article n. And when we talk about a particular thing, then we use the article the. Okay, I will show you some examples. For better understanding, you go through the examples. So we use a before consonant sounds, we use n before vowel sounds, and when we talk about a single particular thing, then we use the article the. Okay, the word the is also an article. It is used to talk about a particular thing. Now circle the pictures that begin with vowel sounds, fill in the blanks with a or n. Let's have some examples. Aeroplane. A, E, R, O, P, L, A, N, E. Aeroplane. As we know, we have to put n before vowel sound. So here we have a vowel sound, that is a. Aeroplane. So we have to put n before aeroplane. We have to put article n before aeroplane. Next, number 2. Parrot. P, A, R, O, T. Parrot. So here P is not a vowel sound. P is a consonant sound, consonant letter. So before consonant letter we have to put article a parrot. Okay, and aeroplane, a parrot. Next, jug. J, U, G, jug. So similarly, J is also a consonant word, consonant sound. So we have to put a before jug, a jug. Number 4, orange. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. So here we have O, that is a vowel sound. O is a vowel sound. So we have to put N before a vowel sound. Okay? N, orange. Number 5. Nest. N, E, S, T. Nest. N, E, S, T. Nest. So here we have a consonant sound. That's why we have to put article a before nest. Okay? Like these examples you have to practice at home. Page number 48. Go through page number 48 from your grammar hour book. Okay? From this book, take out page number 48 and do the examples for better understanding. Let's recall, we use a before consonant sound. We use article n before vowel sounds, and when we talk about a particular thing, then we should use the article the. Okay? Examples, an aeroplane, because here we have a that is vowel sound. That's why we put N. So an aeroplane, a parrot because P is a consonant sound. A parrot, a jug because J is a consonant sound. That's why we put A. So a jug, an orange, a nest. Okay, like this you have to practice at home. Now come to the next article, that is the. Examples of the. So article the, when we use article the, it is used to talk about a particular thing. Okay, page number 48. Look at page number 48. I want a book. The girl is saying I want a book. Another girl is saying which book? Which book do you want? Which book? Another again the girl is said the green book, means she is talking about a particular green book which is on the table. Okay, which is on the table. So she wants the green book. That means she asking a particular green book, asking about a particular green book. So when we talk about a particular thing, then only we use article the. So here the green book means green book is a particular thing which is kept on the table. Okay. Examples: puppy was lost. I found dash in the playground. In the playground. The dash was lost. I bought, B-U-G-H-T. I bought it home. I gave it bath. B-A-T-H, bath. My mother gave it some milk and dash bone to chew. C-H-E-W, chew. She gave me dash apple and egg to eat. We then went to park. It is park where I play with my friends. Where I play with my friends. Okay. Now let's complete the story. It's a story. I found dash puppy in the playground. I found a puppy. I found a puppy in the playground. Now, a puppy was lost. No, the puppy was lost. That particular puppy which I found in the playground. So here I am talking about a particular puppy. So that's why we use the article the. The puppy was lost. Here we can't use a puppy was lost. Okay, I found a puppy in the playground, but I am talking about that puppy which is lost. So here I have to use the article the. That means the puppy was lost. Next, I brought it home. I gave it a bath. Okay, I gave it a bath. My mother gave it some milk and a bone to chew. She gave me apple. That means an apple. A is a consonant sound. A, an apple, and an egg. E is also vowel sound. We then went to a park. Then we went to a park. It is the park where I play with my friends. I went to a park. Okay, I went to a park. Next, it is the park. Okay, I am talking about that park. So it is the park where I play with my friends. Okay, so like this you have to practice at home. Go through page number 48 and 49 for better understanding. This will be your self practice. Practice at home, and if there are any doubts, please let me know. I believe that after watching this video you will not have any doubts. If any doubts will be there, then let me know. In our next class I will explain you. So today's class is about that topic. Till our next class, keep practicing at home. Till then, bye bye and take care.